Hey y'all, good Thursday afternoon. It's Taco Thursday. I'm on the stove. Got stuck on the base, but I got it rolling, y'all. We're gonna do some pinto beans and rice, some yellow rice with pinto beans in that pot. And over here in the other pot, this is our taco meat. This is 4 pounds of taco meat and 3 packs of the taco seasoning by Old El Paso. All you gotta do is just cook it according to the directions. And of course, y'all know I added my little extra, a little bit of seasoning of my own. And I can't add a lot because that Old El Paso is kind of salty. But that's 4 pounds of meat. There's the rice. I got to throw the beans in there. And we just going to put this taco meat in the shell. And we're going to be ready to eat here shortly. So hold on just a minute and I'm going to go get my beans so I can put the beans in. Okay, y'all. Let's get back to these beans. I got my pintos. This is two 15-ounce bags of rice. Just cook according to the instructions. And I put a little bit of taco meat in there. Probably a half a cup of taco meat in there. Now I'm putting some pinto beans in there. We're going to make this authentic pinto beans and rice. Just something to go along with those tacos. You know how you have to have a little something on the side. Y'all know me. So this is going to be part of our Taco Thursday. It's almost done, about 15 minutes. We'll be sitting down to the table eating this. Just got to chop my veggies, my lettuce, tomatoes. We're going to do sour cream and let's see, and cheese. Of course, you know we got to do cheese on it. So this is one of those Fast and Furious. I wasn't intending for it to be this Fast and Furious, but I got caught at the commissary, y'all. When I go in there, it just seemed like I just cannot resist shopping, and that's what I did. I shopped, y'all. I'm confessing. So okay, I'm adding some taco sauce to these beans and rice. It's gonna be so yummy. It's kind of a little tart taste. You can buy it separate, or it can come in a kit. This came with our little kit. I'll show y'all the shells that we're using. Because as soon as this all gets done, it's kind of, you know, this kind of beans and rice, I like it. We like it kind of sticky a little bit. It's real good and yummy. Y'all know I got to drop some butter off in there. So when we do that, this will be done. Okay. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I got to quickly shred this lettuce because you know why? I went to buy a bag and it looked like old faded hair. So I thought, not today. So all you have to do is just cut your head of lettuce in half and sliver it just like this. And then I'm going to go back across it the other way. It'll be just right for tacos. Because you know, if you buy shredded lettuce already, if it's good, you know, you save a lot of time. But couldn't do it today. So we're just going to cut it.
That's a pretty chair.
Okay, so just cut them all up like so. It's not that difficult to do. It just, you know, it takes you extra, what, 3 or 4 minutes to do it. And try to cut it as small as you possibly can because you got, you know, it's going on a taco. You don't want lettuce leaves on there. Just want it like so. So now we got our lettuce. And the next thing we got to do, of course, we got to cut up some tomatoes to go on there. Okay. Okay. Everybody that don't know, this is my countertop. I cut right on top of my, I don't use no cutting board. I can't deal with cutting boards. That's why I got a granite countertop so that I can cut on my countertop. Won't hurt a thing and it's sanitized. And we just go ahead and cut it just like so. I'm going to get some more. I'm going to get more than this, but just give y'all an idea. These have to go on a little tray along with the cheese and the lettuce. Okay, so these are our tomatoes. So at least that size, you know. And, you know, I'm going to sprinkle them with a little bit of salt so they won't be just so bland, okay? This is some garlic pepper. And this will get my salt, pepper, and garlic flavor on there. So, be right back. Okay, y'all, I've got my condiment platter already. Got me some Mexican cheese blend, the lettuce shredded, and tomatoes chopped up. So we're almost ready. In a few minutes, I'm going to put the rice and the meat over here and let them serve themselves right from this counter, y'all. So it's almost done. So can you believe that the flavor trains got a run tonight? So we're going to let it run so when they get here, we'll have it ready. Okay, y'all, we're almost there. We got the counter set up to start eating here shortly. We got our various kinds of shells here. We got these old El Paso nacho cheese flavored taco shells. And of course, we got these little soft flour tortilla boats. And then we got the regular stand-up cornmeal shells. And of course, I've shown y'all, I've got my condiment tray over here to the side. I might even chop up some onions for somebody that wants some onions. And, oh yeah, Tanya. And we got some chichillas taco sauce. And you know what? I've got my own. Y'all know I make my own salsa. It's in this refrigerator. So now what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and get my meat and my rice over here. And this buffet will be set up. Okay, everybody, Taco Thursday is well on its way. We get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy this meal. Got my taco shells over here. Got my taco meat, the condiments, and of course I got the rice and the rest of the condiments. And back on the back there, that is some peach tea that we're going to drink with this meal. So thank y'all for tuning in. I know this was short and sweet, but I had to start videoing in the middle of cooking. So anyway, I just wanted to share with y'all. So hope you had a blessed day. Hope you're cooking something good and nice and easy for dinner tonight. If not, you can always order out. I don't knock that so much. Okay, listen. Okay, this is onions. Okay. And as you can hear, the family is here. That's Tansy you're hearing is talking work stuff. Tanya's looking through magazines. No, Rick, of course, is running around. So, okay, y'all. There it is. Taco Thursday. And I'm going to be doing more of this, like, theme meals that correspond with days of the week is what I'm trying to put out there for y'all to look at and enjoy. So, thank y'all for tuning in. And remember, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. And until I cook whatever I'm going to cook tomorrow, love you guys. Keep on praying now. Keep each other lifted up. Until I cook again now. Love y'all. Toodaloo. Oh my God, that is a beautiful fabric on that couch.
So listen, how far are you from North Carolina? Because like you don't deliver till Monday, it might be.
What happened?